Yeah, you can share your screen now.
That's it. Sir, you can view my screen, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, I had created the domestic master in that.
Mm-hmm.
1 minute.
Last time, whatever the customer account group you have created, okay,
Vendor account.
vendor account.
Hmm.
Now you are creating this
Customer.
account receivable.
Yeah, accounts receivable.
So the same settings are there. What you done for vendor, same steps are.
Yeah.
First, you need to create the account groups.
That's it, sir.
Then that customer account group has to given a number range. Right. If that number range you have not assigned, you won't be able to create a customer.
Okay.
First you verify from the beginning whatever the steps you have done.
Okay, sir. Actually, first I had defined the group, sir. I have created the domestic customer MCC and the group is MCDC.
Okay.
This one, I had a doubt, sir. We need to assign the company code to that assigned field. Company code to the.
No. Define account groups. After that,
assign number ranges.
Create number ranges for customer accounts. Then assign number range to customer account group.
Create
number range.
Yes, sir. I had already available. No, I had used that.
You used that. Where you defined? Tell me. Where is your
1 minute
group here?
The G1 I had used, sir. 21,000 to 22,000. 0 is that. No, I had used this code.
You have used this code.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you go to assignment, where you assign the number range to account.
I had assigned the number in G1.
G1. Okay. Fine.
After that, when I am creating the master data, it is creating some issues.
But what about other steps? There are a lot of steps now after that. After creating this, this is the last step, or this is the, what about the other steps? Alternative reconciliation account. Did you completed all those steps?
No, sir. I had created these two only. I had created these two only, sir. That creation and assignment I had completed.
There are down payment received, define alternative reconciliation account for that. Have you created the GL account for account receivable?
No, sir.
Down,
Okay.
advance from the customers.
Advance from the customers. No, I had not created, sir. Okay, I understood.
I already means already we have created. Na? You check in the GL.
Advance to vendors we had created, sir.
Hmm?
Advance to vendor only we had created.
That is okay. You once go to the GL master, open the GL master. Where you will see your GL account, sir.
FBL1N.
GL master, where you will see. Where you create a GL accounts. See, if you are not remembering, I told you one thing to, you can create a shortcut. You will.
Shortcut enterprises structure.
I already told you one technique.
Yeah.
You can save your as a short key.
Creations.
Shortcut you can create in the menu. How you can create the shortcut in the menu? How you create a GL master? How you see the GL master? These are the very basic things that you should, at this stage, you should learn by heart. You should not it should be on your tips. In general ledger, there is a T code FS00 through which you can see GL master. You can add it to shortcut. How you will add to the shortcut first? You add it right away. How you add it to the shortcut? In general ledger folder, how you will add this T code FS00? It is not FSOO, it is FS00. You haven't added.
Sir?
You didn't add in the shortcut FS00.
FS00.
No, Mahesh, I am telling you how you will add FS00 in the shortcut menu.
Go favorites.
No. You are inside a T code. How you will add this FS00 in the shortcut menu in SAP menu? How you will add? I told you the way, na, earlier.
Yes, sir.
Then why you forgot it?
Add to favorites.
No. Right click on general ledger. What you are getting here? What you want to add?
FS00. Insert.
What is FS00? What is FS00?
To see the general ledgers.
In SAP, what is FS00?
General ledger.
It's a transaction code.
Transaction code.
How you will add the transaction code? In front of you, there is option insert transaction.
Insert transaction.
Give the transaction code here. Practice is not there. Practice is lacking here. It's a very, again, very important. Now it has came or not? FF00 GL account master record maintenance. Now it is added to your favorite. Next time you won't feel any difficulty here.
Difficulties.
Sir, this is your dashboard. This is, if your dashboard is in front of you, you cannot forget anything. Right? Everything is at your place. This is a dashboard which you can see every.
Okay, sir.
Double click on that. Now you see what are the GL records are there.
Outgoing payments, incoming payments. Data is not there, sir, in income.
Huh?
In income, data is not there. Ledger.
Income, how the debtors will come, you see, you tell me one thing.
In assets, sir. Sorry, in assets.
No. In liabilities, if you see the liabilities, if there are creditors, sundry creditors, advance to vendors, then in assets, current assets, you need to create that 2 GL account. One is sundry debtors and another advance from customers.
Advance from customers.
These 2 GL account you have to create in current assets. Okay. Sundry debtors and advance from customers. Create it right away. In assets, you have main bank, outgoing payment, incoming payment, cash account.
Yeah.
Now, if you want to create another GL, what will be the next GL number according to the system?
100004.
Then how you will do that?
So I will move to here, create. I will move to create.
See, the best way I will tell you, close this one. You see, you know the last number which is been given into the GL is 1,03,000. You right click on cash account. Click on copy. Now the GL account there in the yellow part. In the down GL account, here you change it to 4. This is the fastest way you can create a GL account.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Now change all the things here.
Okay.
What you will change?
That's it, sir. Only sundry data I need to change here.
There are many things. You are forgetting many things. This is not an ordinary GL you are creating. This is a GL which you are creating for AP, AR. Do you think there are no any other settings for this? There are two more tabs where you have to make the settings. There is a control data tab. Then you have create bank interest.
Reconciliation.
You are doing again a mistake here. Reconciliation account type, what you are taking?
Uh, Customer.
Yeah, take it. Whatever you should be confident. See, here you should be. Otherwise, if you are not confident, then in the case of accounts payable, you are taking a recon type vendor. In this case of this account receivable, you are taking the recon account type
Customer.
as because you are doing preparation for account receivable.
Accounts receivable.
This is interview questions. These are interview questions. What is a recon account type? What next?
Short key.
Hmm.
Customer.
What is the short key you will take for account receivable when you create GL master for sundry debtors or bills receivable?
Payable. Posting date.
I told you whatever the settings you are doing for vendor and and whatever setting you will do for customer, they are same. They are same but opposite.
Opposite.
You have a confusion, go and check in the liabilities. There are different ways that you can check. Apply your thought in there. Different ways you can check in sundry creditors what you have taken the short key, what you have taken the recon account type. Then apply logic. What can be applied here? I can tell you every time.
Okay. 12 is the vendor number. 31, sir.
Take it, whatever you feel, you take it. Line item display, who will give the line item display? It's a reconciliation account.
G067. Yes, sir. That's it, sir. Almost I have done.
Okay. Save it. See, what are the messages?
Balances for reconciliation accounts only in local currency, not defined. Data contains error. You cannot save.
What you will do now?
I need to enter local currency there, sir.
Sir, for reconciliation account, you cannot enter
Okay.
balance in local currency. Your vendors can be anything. Your vendor
Customer. Hello.
See, you don't know where your customers' vendors can be from a different country. They can have different currency,
Okay.
right? You can have if your customer or your vendor is in US, will you transact in INR? Tell me. If your customer or vendor is
No,
sitting,
it may be a different currency.
no, that's my question. If your vendor and customer is in US, in what currency you will transact with them?
Maybe USD.
Not maybe USD. You have to be in
In
USD.
USD. Yeah. Okay.
If it is a vendor, you have to pay in USD. If it is a customer, that customer will pay you in USD.
Okay. Understood.
Except for these reconciliation accounts like sundry debtors, advance from customers, advance to vendors. This option is not selected, only balance in local currency. Other GLs you can take.
Okay. Understood.
This is the very, very important things which you have to remember. If you don't remember these things, then
It will be difficult.
now it is saved or not?
Yeah. No, sir. Now only it will be saved, I guess. Save.
Next, what is the GL?
Advance from customers.
Created.
created, sir.
Now proceed. What are the next steps for a year? You once create that customer master record. I will see what is the issue you are facing. Creating customer master record.
That's it. I'm creating. Sir.
Hmm?
That's it. I'm creating, sir.
Don't give a customer here.
Okay.
Click OK. Simply click OK. Down, click OK. What is the issue here? Now, are you facing any issue?
No, sir.
Only you have to give the account group. That's all. Nothing you have to give there.
I need.
Company code data. Click on company code data. Where is company code data?
In the account control, vendor is coming, sir.
No. You have to work in company code data. Company code data, you have to enter all your company code relation.
That's it. I had entered all those things, sir.
Then save it. If you entered everything, then save it.
Only post box postal code. Only post box postal code or company postal code is allowed.
See, the time you will understand the SAP error messages and you rectify that errors on your own, then you will learn a lot of things. Whatever SAP is giving you the error messages, that messages you need to understand what is the resolution for that. Only PO box postal code or company postal code.
This
Postal
allowed.
code, company postal code are same thing only. Na?
Yeah.
Company postal code and postal code are same thing only. If your company is in your place
Okay.
in Hyderabad, so Hyderabad pin code will postal code will be applied. Either you give company postal code, either you give postal code. PO box and postal code is compulsory. If the PO box also.
Cash management group. Domestic customers. Domestic customers or domestic customers I can select myself because I had selected only domestic customers there.
A1 domestic payments.
Domestic payments.
Okay. Did you given the customers that payment terms?
No, sir.
What about the other steps? Did you configure all the other steps? Other steps which I explained you when you configured AP. You check those steps. Down payment received, alternative reconciliation account, then payment terms. These all need to be configured na? Whenever you are configuring APAR.
It's to be done in business transactions.
See, you are receiving down payment from customers.
Yes, sir.
On the reverse side, when you are configuring accounts payable, you are giving down payment to vendors.
Vendors.
Here in AR, you are taking down payment
From customers.
customers. Then what you will select here?
D.
D you will select. What is the special GL indicator? Where is that special GL indicator?
From customer to
No. What here what you are selecting, you have to select as per the transaction. Na? What you are selecting. You first close. What columns you are seeing here?
D. Account type.
I am asking what are the columns you are seeing here?
Account type. Special GL.
So here, which account type and which special GL indicator you will select? Why? First of all, always think in your mind why you are doing this activity. You should understand as a consultant what is my objective to configure this step. Your objective for configuring this step is to you are receiving down payment from the customers.
Yes.
It is your current assets.
Current assets.
So what you will select here? Logically, you think. Which line you will select here?
Advance from customers.
What you will select here?
Customers debited.
You are here, see in front of you account type D, special GL indicator A is there, down payment. That one you have need to select. Na?
Down payment is receiving from customers, sir.
Then which one, which special GL you will select for down payment?
Advance from customers. Yeah, account type is advance from customers. Special GL is debtors, sundry debtors.
You need to discuss about only those things which is visible to you here. Which is visible to you here. On the road, if you are walking, you are driving your car, they will not write in the full U-turn. Maybe they will give you some marking. Then you can understand this is a U-turn. Now my question is in special GL indicator, which symbol is given here which you will select for customer?
One.
How one we will take?
No. One symbol is showing that.
Down payment A is there, na?
Down payment. Name down payment. Yes, sir. Down payment A is there.
You forgot everything. Here you have to select the down payment DA. In case of vendor, you are selecting K. Select it. See, this is a row. Either you will double click on D or either you have to select the row. Which row you will select? Which row you will select?
This row.
Then double click on that. Give the recon account and special GL account.
Customers too. Sir, this is confusing to me, sir.
What confusing?
Sir, actually,
Reconciliation account.
reconciliation account is advanced.
Take here sundry debtors. Here special GL account advance from customers. What is confusing there? Reconciliation account a special GL account. Just now you defined in the GL master.
Debtors.
What is the confusion here? Here, what recon account you will give?
Debtors.
Give that. And here in the special GL account, what you will give?
Not transport.
You save it.
Changes have been made.
Next step. You have to create one in front of me. You need to create one customer invoice and
Okay.
one customer payment.
Okay, sir. Different tax accounts, sir. Tax clearing. These are all not needed. Okay, yes. One invoice and one incoming payment. I'm right, sir?
Huh?
One invoice and one incoming payment from customers. Yes, accounts receivable.
But you have not completed all the settings.
Yeah.
Did completed all the settings? Did you completed the payment terms? Are you sure you have completed all the steps? Okay, you see, as I told you, error messages will come. Error messages you need to understand. You create one customer invoice. What is the T code for customer invoice? Which T code you have clicked?
FB 70.
Yeah. Go.
Indicator.
What you have clicked this one? Customer invoice, what will be the accounting entry?
Customer account data to sales account.
Okay.
Then one sales accounts to be created now, sir.
You check whatever, if it is want to create, then create. If it is there already, you check it. You check it by drop down, you can check it, na? If it is already there. You can utilize scrap sales also. Scrap sales is under income head, na?
Is under income, sir.
You can utilize this one.
You can use that. Number 18 is missing.
What is in company code?
18 is missing.
No, I will not tell anything. You have to rectify this error. In company code, 18 is missing. What you will do, you have to do. I will not tell you anything.
T20. period.
Now what you are looking for?
That 18 to be a posting periods 18 2024 will be there, sir. I need to move to 55 also. That's it.
Are you getting any error?
Yes. This
What error?
18 is missing for the year 2025. 18
Number
is
range already you defined, na? 18 number range.
no, sir. Still the error occurs.
You do one thing, you come out of that screen. After changes, you come out of the screen and then freshly you make the posting.
Still there.
Still error coming?
Yes, sir.
You show me where you have given 18 in number ranges where you have given. Open the T code. The T code for maintaining number range is FBN1. FBN1. FBN1.
Change it, but not it appears here.
Eighteen here you have given
Yeah,
400.
I changed it, but
You do see one thing you see here. You 399, 400. Why it is not taking? You are doing posting in the fiscal year 25 and
that
you have
year
given
will be
the year
changed.
24. You given 24.
Yes, sir. I need to change to 25.
How you will change now? You create again.
Okay. Insert line and I can create.
Now you can do the posting.
Reconciliation account is missing in master record. Correct master record.
Check it. See, there is some proper way of working. One screen should be there where you are doing the transaction. You want to check something, you open a new screen.
Okay.
No need to close that screen.
Okay. Okay. Master record, correct? Master record. Master. Reconciliation account is missing in master record.
What does it mean?
Reconciliation account is not linked with that master record, I think so, sir.
Check that master record. No? Whatever I said you in the company code data, you need to check. You know one thing, customer, vendor, whatever it is,
Okay.
every department is giving their information. Production planning is giving information, sales people's giving information, FI peoples are giving. Your part should be complete. Here, no recon account, no sort key. How you will do the posting? I can tell you before also, but unless and until you won't realize your mistake where you are not completing the configuration, you won't learn.
Correct.
So you give the reconciliation account, give the short key also.
Select. Select. Here.
First of all, you will not able to enter.
Yeah, that's it, sir. I am saying.
It's a gray field. Gray field. How you will enter the data? Customer creation one. There is different FD02, FD03. FD02 is for edit, 3 for display, 1 for creation. So you go for FD02, then only you can edit there. How you will edit here?
Period. Out. Period 00325 is not opened for account type D.
You are getting all the errors one by one errors.
Account type D.
Period 3, 2025 is not.
Data's creditors.
What is period 3? Period 3, what do you mean by period 3?
For the next 3 quarters, it will be an 12 plus 3, sir, is equal to 15. No, that period, I think so.
That is not my question. What is period 3? First April 2025, your new financial year started.
April, May, June. That mentioned 3.
So June is the period 3.
3.
That's why it is 3.
Not opened. Type D. And GL 100004.
So where you will do this posting period setting?
That intervals I need to change, I think so, sir.
Interval, not intervals, sir. Posting period. It is clearly telling you posting period is not open. Where you configured posting period?
Documents. Document type, sir. Posting period should be changed.
You find out the step where you will do this. Find out that step. See, you open that error. I have told many ways to understand the things, but attention to be paid. You go to that error. Click on that error. Diagnosis. System response. Procedure. The period is therefore open. Is not open. Period is not, therefore processing cannot be done. So where is open and close posting period? That step where it is?
इस चेयर के ऊपर बैठकर एक बंगाली फिल्म डायरेक्टर ने ऐसी
Position your variant. See, now D, if you see, this is 1510 your variant.
No, sir, 1467, sir.
1467 is not there. You position
1 minute.
where it is. 1467, where it is. Now you see D. Click on the D line. 2424 is there. What you have to give? You have to give 25, na?
Yes, sir.
Give 25. That's no, that is already 25. You leave it at 25. Save it now.
GL1 double account type D and GL1
You
double.
enter simply. No, you have to enter.
Posted in company code 1467.
Posted, na?
Yeah, sir, posted.
Now the same thing, that incoming payment. What will be the incoming payment for the customer? What is the T code? So the first thing, if you want to check here, what is the customer line item display?
Hmm.
Customer line item display, what is the T code?
FB, FBL 1N. Sir, FBL 1N.
FBL, no, FBL 1N is for vendor. FBL 5N is for customer. Okay, FBL 3N for GL line item display. FBL 1N for vendor line item display. FBL 5N for
Custom.
display. You should be very good into what reports. You will see the balances, what are the relevant tables for that submodule, for GL, for AR, AP. If you are good into these areas, and this is what the interview is all about. Interview, they are not going to ask you, you please configure me one invoice and make the payment. They will ask you these questions only. What are the posting periods? What recon account? What is the report you are seeing for customer line item display? Now you see this invoice you created. Okay, this is created now.
Yes, sir.
So it is 10,000. It's coming due. What are the tables related to customer accounts? So what are those tables? Okay, that you can explore out. What are the, if you want to see open items tables for customer and cleared items, what you will be seeing, right? According to that. Now you can make the posting. What is the incoming payment? Quickly you can make one payment, incoming payment. अरे मैं नहीं बैठ क्या काट लो अभी
Team is missing for the year 2024.
Here also you need.
14 is missing.
Huh?
That 14 is missing for the year 2025.
So you have to go in FBN one number range, not posting period. Whenever you are inside SAP slash n followed by the T code, you have to give FBN1. Account in company code 1467. Bank data, what you are taking? 105, what is it? Incoming bank you have to take, na? Remove that 5 from GL account. Give the value date. Hello. 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 अरे रुक जाए एक बार आ रहा है. Hello. Okay, no problem. You carry on. Uh-huh. Yeah, make this entry and go. It's the lunch time also. Ah.